Hey, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be focused on creating the ownership for the Tycoon. So we're going to come over to the workspace. We're going to make a model, rename that to Tycoon. We're going to have another model inside, and we're going to call that become owner. And also within the Tycoon, we're going to need a string value. This will be the owner name, and then we're going to make a int value, and this will be the owner user ID. And now we're going to create the gate so that you can actually claim the Tycoon. Okay. Next, what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to create a we're going to want to take these three models and put them under the become owner model so we have them all together. And now we're going to want to go to the pillar with name. We're going to want to add a surface GUI, and in that surface GUI we're going to want to add a text label. I'm going to scale that text, and we're going to edit size of this so that it is slightly smaller, about 150, and that should be good enough. And now we're going to go to replicated storage. We're going to create a folder. We're going to name it claim. And inside this folder, we're going to create a module script. And we're going to rename this module script to Tycoon owner display. And then we can begin coding. And just one quick thing, if you come back to the Tycoon owner display, I mistakenly forgot to add the else. An else here, and then it's supposed to be current, and then current parent was missing. Oops. And because now if you hit play test, it should say unclaimed right now. And when you and make sure your parts are anchored too. I don't believe I said that earlier, but it should be saying unclaimed right now. And we can't claim it because we haven't finished our claim script yet. But once we finish that, we can test it and then make sure it works. Now that we have our module script done for the Tycoon owner display, we can then come over to the pillar and create a new server script. And we can rename this to owner display script. And we can do a quick coding for this. And once we're done with the script, we can then come over to the claim, and we can now create a new claim script. And we can begin coding this. So this is going to be all for the claim script, and we're just scrolling through it right now just so you can more easily type it down yourself if you need to. But once that is complete, we can hit play to test. We can load it up, turn around. It says unclaimed there. However, when we go and touch the claim part, it disappears. And we are now the owner of this Tycoon. And we can also verify that if we go to the workspace. Let me drag this over. Go to the workspace, go to Tycoon, owner name. Let me drag up here, and you can see it says my name there. And the same thing will be for the user ID as well. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. So we can focus on some of the more back end of this Tycoon.